Hi guys. Now today we will see how to use ChatGPT in automation testing. Okay. So first thing is, so this is my project. So this is my project. I'm using a chart. It's a Playwright project mine. Okay. I'm already using Playwright project and I have created few test cases. This is one test case I have created. These are so rough test cases. I mean to say just for giving some examples, some overview. I have created some like four test cases here under test folder. So this is my chat GPT. This is my playwright project with four test cases or four test cases under test folder. Okay. Now we need to write the test cases. So there are some examples. This is the demo. So I can remove this demo. I'm deleting this. We no longer need it. Okay. Now go to package.json file. Just you can view the project and see scripts is empty. Scripts is empty. See, so I may be good at Playwright 2, or may not good at Playwright 2. So one thing is, say any resource. So normally to execute these test cases, they will not remember. They will remember the commands, but sometimes no, remembering more commands will get confused, right? So that's why they will write some scripts here. So some scripts here. Okay, but just imagine I am new to the project. And so suppose I have worked on Java Selenium, I move to Playwright project. Okay. But I am a layman now in the Playwright project. So I am able to understand the framework. This is the folder structure. These are the test cases, but I need to run the test cases. How can I run the test cases? So because I'm new to the project, right? I need to ask someone. I need to check with someone. So what are the scripts we are adding here? If you are good at some commands, no, then you can run like Selenium. But in rare cases, people are not good at it. So every resource is not a stronger resource in technology, right? So those kind of people, so they are searching for the scripts. We are not getting the scripts. So in that case, so you can ask the other resources one way. The second way is so we are seeing how our chat GPT examples, right? I'm taking new session, new search engine. So you can search here and you can implement these commands for running the tests. So how to run tests in Playwright JS. See, this is giving us suggestions. How can I run the Playwright tests? See here two things. See, I asked how to run tests in the Playwright.js. So it is giving complete structure of like creating installation, installation of the Playwright, and also some module exports it is giving. It is also telling that you need to create one test. I mean, these are the preconditions. But we have come across all these things. We are already set up everything in our project. Just we need to run the test cases. Run your tests. See, you can copy this code directly. See, npx playwright test. Go here, just paste it. Okay, just do enter. See, it is guiding us. ChatGPT is guiding us, guiding for us. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can write the test, you can implement the test. This is also one way. So means it is not taking much time. So it is making testers to complete their work very easy. So learning ChatGPT is a helpful thing, helpful session. Okay, let the test cases run. Okay. See, oh, it is running all the browsers. So we can make one browser default, but for now it is running all the browsers. That's why it has taken all these four test cases have run in all the browsers, right? It took this much time. Now go to here. So what is the command we have given? Npx playwright test rate. And so automatically it generated the report, right? Somewhere we have seen, right? See, automatically it generated the report. If you have all the test cases passed, no, then it will not generate the report. So at that time, we need to provide this command npx playwright show you. Copy this and see. So show report. Okay, we got the report, right? Now go here under scripts, just maintain your scripts. First thing is Chrome. Run. I'm creating the scripts here. Okay, with the help of ChatGPT. Npx playwright test, right? This is the test. This is our first command to run the test, comma, HTML report, HTML report. Okay. Now, next time whoever comes into the project, no, so they no need to suffer how you suffer. So they can directly take this command and they can run npm run. Just use this command. See, it will execute. So the purpose is we have taken the help of ChatGPT. See, because I don't know anything about the playwright, I'm working on the Selenium and Java project. Just imagine I don't have anything about the playwright. Just I'm seeing the test cases, I'm understanding the project, but I don't know how to write the test, how to run the test cases. So that's why I asked ChatGPT the commands, how to run the test in Playwright.js. So it has given all the steps, but till here we are already covered. So everything is done. Only we have copied npx playwright test, npx playwright show report. And also you need to remember one thing. So it is giving headed mode also. We can run headed mode, debug mode. Okay. See, once the execution is done, so it generated the report. So it's a dummy report. It's a dummy execution, I'm saying. And also one more thing. In every session, I'm telling ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important info. Even ChatGPT is giving some suggestions. You need to review it. If it is correct, you can apply it. If it is wrong, you need to do some modifications and you can add it. It will work. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.